Replacing the key fob battery in a 2002-2006 Toyota Camry is a straightforward process that takes only 5 to 10 minutes. First, acquire a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery available at most retailers for $1 to $5. Use a small flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry open the key fob casing at the provided seam or notch. Take care to avoid cracking the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up. Properly dispose of the old battery at a recycling center. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, aligning it with the circuit board. Snap the fob casing back together, ensuring a secure fit to prevent moisture from entering. The entire process should take only 5 to 10 minutes. Your key fob should now work properly. After replacing the battery, test the key fob's functionality. If the fob doesn't work, try reprogramming it by cycling the vehicle's ignition on and off 5 times. If reprogramming fails, consider visiting a Toyota dealer. Inspect the battery contacts inside the fob for corrosion. Clean any corrosion with rubbing alcohol to ensure proper contact. Be aware that aftermarket smart key converters are available, allowing you to upgrade to a more modern keyless entry system if desired, or if there are problems. Proper battery disposal is important. Recycle used CR2032 batteries. If the vehicle is newer than 2004, check for a valet switch inside the fob and ensure it's not activated.